Hi guys, ching ching, round two. All week I haven't been to see Mother Gaia. I'm supposed to take off my socks and ground, but you know what? My bottom is on the tree, so I think that's good enough for me. Yeah, I just wanted to say people on a low vibration just don't get me. So you can talk to them, you can even have a laugh, a scream, but then you know your level. You know, like a thermometer, so when the temperature is starting to dip and you try and tell them enough, but they're not listening. So, you know what I mean? And it's like, I don't know, are they karmic? They just don't get it. And I said, I've had enough, because at the end of the day, I don't love you and I'm not going to lower my vibration. So that's the way it is. So I'm keeping high vibe. I've got a job to do. I'm a starseed, you know. I'm helping humanity sink into the fifth dimension. And talking about fifth dimension, somebody in the know says, you know, in the very near future, yeah, things are going to change. So I think at that stage we have free electric and stuff like that. We won't be paying for anything like that. This is new earth. We won't have any disease, anything like that at all whatsoever. All the 3D remnants, crime, illness, poverty, all that will be a thing of the past. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just loving it. You know, it's like me being here. This is better than having any friends, because you can have a laugh and a joke with somebody, but that's not vital as far as I'm concerned. Yeah, because you're probably not going to have that type of scream with somebody else on my level, but I don't need that type of scream. It's like, how can I say it and make this user friendly? It's like, you know, like having a bad boy scenario, you know what I'm talking about, birds and the bees. So they might be a good in the sack, but they're a head screw. So who wants a head screw? Yet the ones who are probably a bit more loving towards you are not very good, so in the sack. So yeah, this is who I am. This is what I'm all about, Mother Nature. You give me wood, I get turned on by wood. So even though it's kind of cut up, it's not in the soil, rooted in the soil, it's still Mother Gaia, and it's still a respect thing, and I love it. So you give me your natural kind of fibres, your wool, your cashmere, anything like that. I don't want your man-made fibres and stuff like that. You know what I mean? I want everything una natural. I was trying to tell somebody this week that I use natural ingredients. I don't use fluoride. You don't use fluoride? And I'm like, no, darling. And what you see is what you get. I think people just ain't got a clue. And they say you're spiritual. Well, you ain't that spiritual. You're not on my level. So, you know what I mean? So there's no way I'm going to buzz right back down. Because once you're up, you're staying up. It's not snakes and ladders where you're going up, down, up, down. Okay, they say you can do, but I think at this stage I'm so highly elevated, so I'm like, but within a second it's like, ching! It's all goody. You know what I mean? So I'm going to keep it that way. I'm here to vibe high, and that's who I am, so nobody's going to take me off my path. I'm loving it. And how can I show you? I'm going to give Mother Gaia a kiss. The tree a kiss, because that's what I'm all about. All natural. What you see is what you get. So yeah, even sometimes when I look at say my older photographs, and I might have had a vegan eyeshadow. There ain't no eyeshadow now. The only eyeshadow is natural shadow, so natural colouring with age or what have you. So you know what I mean. I used to do promotions, and I remember one time I did a perfume, I think it's Marc Jacobs, don't ask me which one, and my makeup was my smile. So yeah, this is what I'm all about. So I feel so good. I'm a bit chicken. I didn't put my feet on the soil. I'm gonna rub my bottom on the tree. Yeah. Yeah. So that's what it's all about. Big smiles, people. So I want my love from my heart to penetrate through the screen and get all of you who's watching this video. So I want you to all absorb my love and raise the vibration of the planet. So I give you my love, and it's a ricochet. You give it to somebody else, and it's a chain reaction, and it goes on and on and on. Yeah. So I just feel like, what's the point of me going into the park in the summertime? I was just doing, or warmer weather, just out in the elements with Mother Gaia. So yeah. So instead of kissing the tree now, I'm gonna kiss you lot. Mwah. Have a fantastic week. Hasta la vista, baby.